In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Sendwave account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the option, what to do if it's not visible, and how to wrap things up safely. First, open the Sendwave app on your phone and make sure you're logged in on a stable internet connection. Before you proceed, take a moment to review your account. If you have any pending transfers, let them complete or cancel them if that's available, because account deletion usually can't proceed while transactions are in progress. If there's any remaining balance, move it out. This is also a good time to save any receipts or records you might need later, since you may lose access to them once your account is closed. And next, look for delete account or close account. This is typically found by tapping your profile icon or name, then going into settings or account. Sometimes it's tucked under privacy, security, or a help and support section. When you find it, tap the option and read the on-screen information carefully. You may be asked to confirm your choice, select a reason for leaving, or verify your identity with a code. Follow the prompts and confirm the deletion request only when you're sure. If you don't see that option, don't worry. Start by updating the app to the latest version, then close and reopen it. Check all likely menus, including profile, settings, account, privacy, and help. Some regions place the option inside a help or support center, where you can search for delete account or close account. If there's still no visible button, use the in-app support chat or help contact to request closure. In that conversation, you'll likely be asked to verify your identity for security. Share only what's needed to confirm the account is yours, and never disclose sensitive information like your password or full card numbers. After you've submitted the request, wait for confirmation. This may appear as a message inside the app, an email, or both. Processing can take a bit of time, especially if there were recent transactions or if support needs to review your request. Keep the app installed and check your inbox, including spam or junk folders, until you receive a clear confirmation that your account has been closed. Once you've received confirmation and everything is finalized, you can safely remove the app from your phone. On most devices, just press and hold the app icon and choose remove or uninstall. That's it. You've deleted your Sendwave account, closed it out responsibly, and cleaned up your device. Thanks for watching.